You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. Yes, a name of Germanic origin. It's Charles, but it's not. I've seen videos saying that it's Spanish. It's not entirely Spanish, it's Catalan. So for the northeast of Spain, Catalonia has its own language, and it's Catalan, and that's where it's used. Carles, so that's the Catalan version of the name Charles. Carles, Carles. If you cannot pronounce Catalan perfectly, you can say Carles. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.